up, YouTube? All right, it's been a long time since I made a decent video. Been posting on my shorts, we've been busy. All right, so I came here Friday, originally to do this job. It was standard carpet cleaning for one of our clients who rents this property. It's a pretty big size house, sorry, I can't talk. It's been a long Sunday. This is job number 2 for the day. So, all right, gave us a call, wanted standard cleaning. I came here, and then by looking at it, it's gonna require a lot more just regular carpet cleaning. They did have pets, so, you know, a lot of urine stains everywhere. So I got my product here for urine remover right in here. So this bedroom is about 400 square feet, and then I got another small bedroom. All right, guys, so I went ahead and pre-sprayed all areas that are contaminated with urine. Sorry, I can't talk today. Now I'm going to the next room. All right, I'm gonna let this do its magic. So what I normally do is, after I'm done, I post-spray it with my anti-wicking treatment, but I'm leaving the fans here overnight, and I'll be back here sometime tomorrow late afternoon to pick it up, and whatever wicks up, hopefully it's minimal, because there's no AC in here. I got the ceiling fan on, but it is humid, so it's gonna happen. But trying to reduce it, so what I'm gonna do is, once I cut the camera, I'm gonna go over it again, different angle to absorb more moisture out of here, pick up more water. And then, yeah, tomorrow I'll come back, pick up my fans, whatever wicks up, I'll just spray my treatment down for the wicking and then call it a day. I'm not gonna go too crazy today. All right, guys, stand by. Yeah, so in here is it's heavily soiled with pet urine. It also smells like some type of grease. It's like the work on there, like auto parts in here. And then the other room as well too. There's a lot of black grease spots too. That could be from anything with an oil base in there. It smells way better now though. I'm using it in change, so it has that sweet grease smell to it. So when it comes here tomorrow, it smells a heck of a lot better than it did. Alright guys, so got our air movers in there. My old man's put one over here and then put another one in here, get this moving. We normally have the big air movers, but these are what we use for part of our flood restoration end of the business. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this video and I'll catch you guys next one, alright? Peace.